So let's take a look at the interior. So here are the electric seats, adjustment, but it's just for the driver side. For the passenger seat, it's a normal manual one. From here you can open the fuel tank, and from here you can open the bonnet, the front. For the passenger side, it's the normal one. No electrical seat adjustment for this side. And this is the back seat, very spacious. Both the seats have seat pockets. Here is the power outlet, but there is no back AC. AC for the back seat is missing, which is not good. It should have been there. So I was saying that I will fold the seat for the very first time and see how much space do I get. Okay, so this is how you unfold the seat. So it is firstly going to be for this side. Let me try the other one. I'll open the trunk. So here it is with the lever. Now the seats have been folded completely. So this is how it looks. It is the same actually, because okay, you get enough space if you have a lot of luggage. Apart from that, there is a divider in between, so this cannot get off. Oh, okay, this can get off. There are screws over here. If you unscrew, you'll be able to pull this out. But I don't want to, so I just want to show you. So now if you have a lot of luggage, it can fit in the car. Otherwise, it's a normal sedan car's trunk. Nothing like an SUV. Okay, I'll start with the door. Very fine finish. These are the options to adjust the mirrors, window adjustments, lock and lock, window lock. Here is the holder for bottle, leather seats. It gets very cold in the winter and very hot in the summers. Okay, so now when I get inside the car, this is how the interior looks. Very fine finish, beautiful car. One light over here, one light here. Okay, let's start the car. Here is the push button. There you go. Okay, since it's very hot, I will start with the AC. The air conditioning is good. You can start the AC from here. And the buttons you have is here for auto. Sync is for both temperature control, because passenger and driver can adjust according to themselves. But if you press sync, it will sync automatically with each other. Since it's very hot in Dubai, so if it is above 35 or around 40 degree, you need to keep the AC temperature to the lowest one. Only then it will work very well, otherwise it won't. And for normal weather or night, you can change this to 20, 24 as per your needs, and it will still be very cold. So this is the fan speed. Okay, so I'm using this for the charger. There is no wireless charging option in this car, only one USB port which I use for songs. This is the gear. Manual transmission is also available. You can see the shift paddles over here, these silver ones. So this button is for heated seat option. As I mentioned before, these are leather seats, so in cold weathers, even in Dubai, the seats gets very cold. So I've tried this once or twice and it works very well. So it will heat up the seats, but there should have been an option for cold seats as well, which is not there. So this will work only in winters, but for summers you won't be able to do much about it. The only thing you can use is a car shade. So this is for all wheel control, and I've tried it only once, I think, but I didn't find any difference. So if I press this, you will see the change over here. Currently it shows auto. If I press this, now it is in snow mode, now it is in gravel mode, and the other option is auto. This is the parking handbrake. It's not a handbrake anymore. In some cars it's foot brake, and this one is in electronic parking. So auto hold, I never thought that this feature would be so useful that I've been using it frequently. So if I press auto hold, currently it is in parking mode, so I will remove the parking mode. Now I will press auto hold. Oh, look, the car is telling me to first of all wear your seat belt. So let me just wear the seat belt. Okay, so now if I press auto hold, now it is active. So even if I go into drive mode, the car will not move ahead, only if I press the accelerator, because it is in auto hold mode. And this is very useful when you are driving in the city and there are a lot of traffic signals, so you don't have to shift the gear to neutral or parking. If you have pressed auto hold, just press the brake a little longer and you will see this auto hold showing over here in the green, that your car is in hold mode, and it will not progress further until or unless you accelerate the car. So it's a very helpful feature. And let me just put it back on parking because I'm not driving. So this is how I put it in parking mode. So one cup hold on the seats, the other one is over here, and then we have on this side also. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Currently I have face masks in it and sanitizer. This has two portions, very spacious, unlike my previous car. And one option over here, once again a lot of face masks, a lot of storage available in this area also. Okay, so on this side you see anti-collision. If I press this, it is giving me the option far, middle, near. What would you like for the car to give you a warning sign? So I think middle would be fine, but I usually drive on the highway, so far is also fine. So this one is lane departure. If I press lane departure, you'll see that green sign. It's very helpful. It works very well. Whenever you are getting out of lane, it will give you a warning over here that lane departure. Even here it will show you that you are going off the lane. So this is the adjustment for heads up display, how much bright you want, and if you want it up or down. This is heads up display. If I press this, it will go back. So these are the options I have on the steering: for cruise control, for audio system, for call system, and these are the options I have to control over here. So it is showing currently 420 kilometers, but but the actual fact is that it will drive for 550 kilometers. So I've driven already 96, so whatever the remaining is this kilometers, that's the mileage. 13 kilometer per hour. This is super all-wheel control. These are the settings. Okay, regarding the TPMS, so it's already saved by the servicing team. So if my car tire pressure goes below 35, it will give an error over here that tire pressure is low. Similarly, if my car key battery is low, it will appear over here as an error that you need to replace the battery is low. Okay, these are the auto lights, and this is for वाइपर। ये देखिए जी, बारिश हो रही है, ऑटो डिटेक्ट किया है, वाइपर खुद ही चल रहा है। मैंने नहीं चलाया वाइपर खुद ही चलना स्टार्ट हो गए हैं। ऑटो डिटेक्ट किया कि रेन हो रही है, शीशे पे जो है वो पानी पड़ रहा है। सो इस गाड़ी में ये भी फीचर है। नाइस, इट्स क्लीन नाउ। Still some water particles are there. Look at that. I did not do anything, but it worked automatically. So this is for the rear, because even behind there is a system for wiper. If I will press this button and then look, that's working right now with water. Yeah, so very good. Okay, so from here I can control this part. You see that? And for the back one, I can control it from here, but it does not completely open. It's not the sunroof, it's a moonroof, you can say. From here I can go out. This is as far as it goes. So only the front seat passenger or someone from the back getting front can go behind, go above. But for the back seat it's like this.